Do you need a floor plan? Try RoomSketcher, easiest way to create professional floor plans. Draw using our easy-to-use floor plan software or scan using your iPhone or iPad. Whether you're listing a property, planning a build, or designing a space, you'll get polished results in no time. If you already have a floor plan, you have 3 easy options. AI Convert. Try our cutting-edge AI technology to make a floor plan. Trace it yourself. Turn any existing floor plan into a clean digital layout you can update and share. Order service. Upload your blueprint or sketch to our redraw service, and our experts will turn it into editable 2D and 3D floor plans. With RoomSketcher, all your plans are digital, stored in an online archive, and it's easy to make changes or edits at any time, on any device. With RoomSketcher, you can instantly render professional 2D floor plans with measurements, or visualize in 3D using 3D floor plans, 3D photos, 360 views. You can even walk around in interactive live 3D. RoomSketcher. Try it today.